The secret world of feline taste buds, why cats can't taste sweetness, and what it means for their diet. Introduction: a cat's mysterious palate. If you've ever tried to share a bite of cake or ice cream with your cat, you may have noticed something strange. They simply don't care. While dogs eagerly beg for sweets, cats usually sniff and walk away. The reason? Cats are one of the few mammals on Earth that cannot taste sweetness. This isn't just a quirky fact. It's a fundamental difference in how cats experience food compared to humans, dogs, and even most other animals. But why did cats lose this ability? How does it affect their diet and behavior? And what does this tell us about their evolution as hunters? In this deep dive, we'll explore the science behind feline taste buds and why they can't detect sugar, the evolutionary advantage of losing sweet receptors, how cats compensate with heightened senses for meaty flavors, misconceptions about cats and sweet foods, practical tips for cat owners based on this knowledge. By the end, you'll never look at your cat's eating habits the same way again. Chapter 1. The Science of Taste. How cats experience flavor. How mammals detect sweetness. For most animals, taste is governed by taste receptors on the tongue. These receptors respond to 5 basic flavors: sweet, sugars, fruits; sour, citrus, fermented foods; salty, minerals; bitter, toxins, some plants; umami, savory, meaty flavors. The ability to taste sweetness comes from 2 genes, TAS1R2 and TAS1R3, which produce proteins that form the sweet taste receptor. The genetic mutation that changed everything. In 2005, scientists at the Monell Chemical Senses Center made a groundbreaking discovery. Cats have a defective TAS1R2 gene. This means their sweet receptor doesn't function. Even if they eat sugar, their brain doesn't register it as sweet. They lack the instinct to seek out sugary foods. Further studies confirm that big cats, lions, tigers, and domestic cats share this mutation, proving it's a deep-rooted evolutionary trait. What about other flavors? While cats can't taste sweetness, they have strong umami detection, crucial for identifying meat; heightened sensitivity to bitter tastes, likely to avoid toxins; a preference for fatty and amino acid-rich foods, like taurine, essential for their survival. This explains why cats go crazy for tuna or chicken, but ignore fruit. Chapter 2. Evolutionary Secrets. Why cats lost their sweet tooth. Cats are obligate carnivores, unlike dogs, which evolved as scavengers, or bears, omnivores. Cats are hyper-specialized meat eaters. Their ancestors survived on prey like mice, birds, and small reptiles. Foods with zero sugar content. Since sweetness provided no survival benefit, the TAS1R2 gene gradually mutated into a pseudogene, a non-functional remnant. Dolphins and other sweet-blind animals' cats aren't the only exceptions. Dolphins lost both sweet and bitter taste receptors. Chickens have very few sweet receptors. Some insect-eating bats also lack sweet detection. In each case, the loss aligns with their diet. If sugar isn't part of survival, the gene disappears. Chapter 3. Do cats ever eat sweet foods? And should they? Why some cats lick ice cream or fruit. Even though they can't taste sugar, cats might occasionally show interest in sweet foods because of fat content, dairy products like cream; texture, the coldness of ice cream; curiosity, exploring new smells. However, sugar is bad for cats because they can't digest it efficiently, leading to obesity and diabetes. Many sweet foods, like chocolate, are toxic to them. Human foods cats can enjoy safely. If you want to treat your cat, stick to cooked meats, chicken, turkey, fish; cat-safe broths, no onions or garlic; commercial cat treats, formulated for their dietary needs. Never give them chocolate, grapes, or artificial sweeteners, xylitol. Dairy, most adult cats are lactose intolerant. Chapter 4. How this affects cat food choices. Why cats prefer wet food over dry kibble. Since cats rely on smell and umami taste, they often reject bland carb-heavy kibble, which lacks strong, meaty flavors. Old or stale food, Their keen nose detects spoilage faster than humans. Pro tip: warming wet food enhances its aroma, making it more appealing. The danger of vegetarian cat food. Some companies market plant-based cat food, but this goes against feline biology. Cats need taurine, found only in animal tissue. High protein levels. They can't thrive on soy or grains. A cat forced onto a vegan diet will develop severe health issues, including heart disease and blindness. Chapter 5. Comparing cats to dogs. A tale of two tastes. Dogs, the opportunistic sweet lovers, unlike cats' dogs, have functional sweet receptors, inherited from their scavenging wolf ancestors, can safely eat some fruits, like apples and blueberries, may crave sugar, which is why they beg for desserts. This difference explains why dogs are more likely to overeat sweet foods, while cats self-regulate based on protein content. Conclusion: a meat eater's perfect design. A cat's inability to taste sweetness isn't a flaw. It's a masterpiece of evolution. Their taste buds are fine-tuned for hunting and survival, not for enjoying human snacks. Key takeaways for cat owners. 1. Never assume your cat likes sweets. They literally can't taste them. 2. Stick to high-protein, meat-based diets for optimal health. 3. Avoid feeding human desserts. Sugar is unnecessary and harmful. 4. Respect their natural instincts. Cats are hunters, not treat seekers. Next time your cat turns down your ice cream, don't take it personally. They're just being perfectly, beautifully feline. Final thought: what's your cat's favorite food? Do you have a picky eater or a meat-obsessed feline? Share your cat's weirdest food preferences in the comments.